So today the problem statement which we are going to see is construct Turing machine to compute multiplication of two unary numbers. Now the unary number means what? A numbering system where we have the single digit to represent any number. So that single digit is we will consider as a zero. So a zero is used to construct any number. So if we want to multiply 3 with 2, so 3 will be represented with the 3 zeros and 2 will be represented with the 2 zeros. And the result will be again the count of the number of zeros. So this 3 multiplied by 2. Now these numbers are separated with a special symbol called as a hash. Special symbol called as a hash. So hash is nothing but a type symbol. So the result of these two multiplication will be at the end. So at the end we have to keep all these numbers as it is. So 3 multiplied by 2 and the result. So that is the objective of our today's problem statement. So yesterday we have seen the basic logic. So what we'll do, we'll just copy this number, this second number, this many number of times. That is nothing but a multiplication. So what will be the multiplication process? Copy this number, this many number of times. So we'll divide this Turing machine into two parts. First is called as a counting. We will count here. We'll count this. We'll count this first number and we'll move here. We'll copy this number here onto the result part. Again, we'll come back. We'll count this second. We'll come here again. We'll copy this number again at the result part. Again, we'll come back. We'll count this third. Again, we'll copy this number at the end of the result. So this after this hash, the what we'll get the result. So when this count will be finished, this will be result. That is our today's problem statement. Now, how to design the Turing machine for this? How to design the Turing machine for this? We'll briefly see the logic for that. Now this 0 will make it as x. This first 0. So counting will make this count as a x. Skip this, skip this, skip this. Now we have to copy this. So we have counted one. We have counted one. Now we have come here. Now we should start copying. Now the logic behind the copies again will make this 0 as a x, right, skip. When we get this blank will make it as a 0. This blank will make it as a 0. We'll come back, skip. This x will make it again 0 and change the direction. This x will make again a 0 and keep right. Change the direction to right. Now again we are converting 0 because next time again we require the same output, same this number for again copy. So now this copy is done. Now this 0. Repeat the same process. Make this x, skip, blank, make this as a 0. Blank, make this as a 0. And change the direction. Make this as a 0, change the direction. Again come left, skip. This x, make this x as a 0 and change the direction. Make this x as a 0 and change the direction. Now after changing the direction, what we are getting? We are getting hash. Means what? This number is over. This number is over. So when we get hash, we'll keep hash as it is and change the direction. We'll keep this hash as it is and change the direction. What it means? One copy is done. Copy operation once it is done. So we'll come back, skip this, and when we get x of count, we'll make this as a 0 again and change the direction to right. So one time copying is done. Now this second 0 again we'll make x, means second counting is done. Skip this. After this hash, the number which we want to copy will start. So this From here, again, copy logic, which we have used previously. What is the copy logic? Make it X, skip this, skip this, skip this, skip this. When we will get this blank, make it 0. And change the direction. Again back. Again come back till we are getting X. This X will again make it as a 0 and change the direction to right. Now this number copy, simple copy logic is make it X, keep everything. When we will get this blank, make it 0 and change the direction. After changing direction, come to the till the X, make this X as a 0 and change the direction to right again. When we are getting this right hash, we'll keep this hash as it is and we'll move towards the left because copy number is done. Now we are again move to the count part. Skipping everything, we'll come to the X of counting. Make this 0 as a X, X as a 0. Make this X as a 0 and change the direction. Now count third. Repeat this same. When your counting will be reached to the X, it means what? We have to stop. So this is the basic logic of multiplication of two unary number. Multiplication of two unary number. So we just try to apply this logic and design